Hey everyone, I am nature photographer Ian Plant, and I've been a full-time pro photographer for over 20 years now. And most photographers think of the act of focusing, what you choose to bring into sharpness in your photo. They think of that as a technical challenge, but actually it's an important creative choice. What you bring into sharpness or focus will have a profound impact on the way people perceive your photos. In my new creative focus class, I'm going to show you how you can use focus to make stunning images. What you choose to have in focus and what you choose to have out of focus can have a significant impact on how viewers interpret and react to your photographs. In this class, I'll discuss a number of focus-related techniques and principles. I'm going to discuss selective focus, which is common with wildlife and portrait photography, and I'll also talk about using out-of-focus areas creatively. On the other end of the spectrum, I'll teach you about depth of field, which is the zone of apparent sharp focus that extends around your focus point, and how to achieve deep focus and have everything in the image frame rendered tack sharp. This is a common technique for landscape photography, and I'll show you how to do this using an old-fashioned way called hyperfocal distance, and the more modern technique called focus stacking. This class will give you a better understanding of how you can use both focus and blur to create artistic photographs. So I hope you can join me for my creative focus class. Thanks.